Hey everybody, in this tutorial I will show you how to use an application called Drive File Stream to transfer your H Drive files to your Google Drive. Drive File Stream is basically an application that allows you to access your Google Drive files, but it will maintain the look and feel of your H Drive. So to use this application, the first thing that you're going to need to do is go down here to this Windows icon and open your Start menu. You should then be able to scroll down and find the Drive File Stream app. Just click on that. When you the first time you open this application, it's going to go ahead and ask you to log into your Google account. So make sure you do that. And then once you log into your Google account, it's going to open a window that's going to look like this. It's essentially going to open this File Explorer folder where you can access all your network drives and your computer drives. So you can see here it's got all the usual drive options, your C drive, your H drive, but it also has created a new drive right here, which is going to be called your drive file stream. And in this case, it named it my D drive. Yours might come out a little bit different, so don't be too shocked if that happens. Anyway, this is the drive right here that you're going to transfer all your files to. It's essentially your Google Drive. So if you look here, and you can see it in two different places. Here it shows that in that drive you have your Google Drive, My Drive, and all your team drives. And you can also just go ahead and do the drop down here to see the same options. So like I said, that's this right here is your Google Drive essentially, and that's where we're going to transfer all of our H Drive files to. So to make this a little bit smoother, what I'm going to do is create a folder in my Google Drive, and you can do the same thing just to kind of help you organize and be able to find your files that you transfer a little bit easier later. So in this case here, if you want to create a folder to put the files into, you can right click on my drive, then go to new, and then folder, and you can see here it's creating a new folder. And in this case here, just go ahead and name it something that will help you remember that that's where you put your transferred H drive files. So I'm going to go ahead and just call it transferred H drive files. So that is exactly where we're going to go ahead and put our files. So to transfer your H drive files here, just go down to where you see your H drive and click on that. Over here in this right hand side, it will show you all of the files and folders that you have in your H drive. And to begin the transfer process, all you have to do is select the ones that you want. You can do them one at a time and just drag them right over onto that, and it will go ahead and move them. You can transfer them in small groups or all at one time. That's completely up to you depending on which ones you want to transfer. And depending on the size of the file, it will determine how long it will take. So some key things to remember when you're doing that is, like I said, if it's a large file, it might take a little longer. And if you shut down your computer or you log off before the transfer has completed, it might not transfer properly. So you want to double check that these things transfer where you want it to before you shut down. So just to show you right here, you can see all those files that I just moved over are now there, and you could even double check by opening your Google Drive the regular way. So as always, if you have any questions, contact your technology integration coach, and they'll be happy to assist you.